Pag ang isang tao, for example, your partner, pinupush ka na mag-grow, hindi atake yun. Pagmamahal yun. If someone is trying to correct your mistake, can you imagine, oobserbahan ka niya, aalamin niya yung mali mo na dapat ikaw yung umaalam nun eh. You should be the one trying to recognize your own patterns, your defeat patterns, your failure patterns, your mistakes. Dapat ikaw yun eh. It's your accountability to know your own mistakes. But can you imagine someone in your life really meaningful to you, someone who loves you, will point out,
Hey babe. Hi baby. Feedback lang. Ito yung error mo. Ito yung mali mo today. Hindi maganda yung lumabas sa bibig mo. You're too emotional.
instead na ma-appreciate natin yon that someone is looking at our blind side, our blind spots, para hindi na tayo magkamali sa labas. Instead of us appreciating that, the time and effort it took to recognize our own patterns, our own mistakes, magagalit pa tayo. Feeling natin inaatake tayo. Sasabihin mo, hindi niya ako na-appreciate. Puro mali na lang yung nakikita niya. Pwedeng oo, or pwedeng gusto ka lang niya mag-grow. Pwedeng naniniwala siya sa'yo. Pwedeng mataas yung standards niya para sa'yo.